In this video we will log on to an existing StarTeam server, open a project, check out files from the server to the local working folders, modify a file and then check the file back into StarTeam again. We will show how StarTeam tracks status changes on the file during this process. To begin, click the Open Project icon. I'm going to use the StarDraw server for this video. Select the StarDraw server and click on the Log On As button. I'm going to log on to the server using the administrator login, but you can use any login that you have for your own server. Select the StarDraw project from the list. Click Next. I will be using the default view for the StarDraw project, so I will just click the Finish button. The StarDraw project opens in the StarTeam client. The File tab is displayed by default. There are no files displayed in the File tab, as this is the first time this project has been accessed and no files have been checked out to the local working folders. Click on the All Descendants button. The client now shows that all the files have a status of missing. This status indicates that these files are stored on the StarTeam server and have not been checked out to the local working folders. In the File tab, press Ctrl-A to select all the files. Right-click and select Check Out All. Click OK, and StarTeam asks you to confirm that you want to check out all the files from all the sent-in folders. For this example, we'll just click Yes. If the file pane does not refresh automatically, press Shift F5 or select the Refresh option from the menu. The files are now displayed with a current status. This status means that the files are now stored in the local working folders and are identical to the versions that are stored on the StarTeam server. If you want to make a change to the file, you can simply double-click on the file in the list. This file is a rich text format file, so it will open in Microsoft Word. I'm just going to add some random text to this file for the purpose of demonstrating a change. I'll save the file and close Microsoft Word. You can see that StarTeam shows the file with a modified status. This indicates that the file stored in the local working folder was modified after checking it out of StarTeam. Right-click the file and select Check in order to check the file back into StarTeam. StarTeam displays this dialog which allows you to add a comment when checking in a file. Enter your comment, click OK. StarTeam now shows the file status as current. This status means the StarTeam server has the latest file version in its repository. Check-in comments are used for tracking changes and for audit purposes and can, if required, be made mandatory. If we look in the detail pane, we can see that there are a number of revisions of this file. If we look in the history pane, we can see the comments that were added to the file each time it was checked in. We could continue to work on the other files if we so wished, but as we've completed the task of checking in the files to the working folders and making an edit, I simply log off from this project.